Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Mower Deck Wheels is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a pristine lawn, ensuring your mower glides smoothly over uneven terrain and prevents scalping, ultimately contributing to a healthier and more attractive yard with minimal effort. Number 5. 4-Pack Lawn Mower Deck Wheels. Introducing our 4-pack of lawn mower deck wheels, designed for optimal performance and longevity. These wheels are built to last, ensuring your mower operates smoothly season after season. These wheels are compatible with a wide range of popular lawn mower models, including Cadet, Craftsman, and John Deere. You can trust that they will fit your machine perfectly. Replaces multiple part numbers for various brands, ensuring a perfect fit for your mower. These are high-quality replacements designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. Get your mower back in action quickly with these easy-to-install deck wheels. The simple replacement process means you can do it yourself at home without any hassle. Featuring a smooth tread design, these wheels ensure your mower glides effortlessly across the lawn. With a diameter of 4.9 inches and a width of 2.8 inches, they provide stable support. We stand behind our products with excellent customer service and a 24-month warranty. If you have any questions, our team is ready to provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like. This set offers extensive compatibility with many popular brands and models. It also comes with all the necessary hardware for installation and is backed by a 24-month warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable replacement set with excellent support, this is a great choice. What people say. These wheels are a perfect fit for my John Deere mower deck. They are sturdy and well made, and they roll smoothly over uneven terrain. I was able to install them in minutes with no tools required. Number 4. 734-04155 Deck Wheel Kit, 4-pack. Introducing our pack of 4 durable deck wheels, designed to keep your lawn mower deck from scraping the ground. Ensure a smooth and even cut every time. These wheels are compatible with a wide range of popular brands, including Cadet, MTD, Toro, Troy-Bilt, and Craftsman riding mowers. They are also suitable for John Deere D105 and other models. Constructed from sturdy PP material with a smooth surface, these wheels are built for longevity. They effectively prevent deck damage and contribute to a more uniform lawn appearance. Each pack comes with 4 heavy-duty shoulder bolts and 4 K-type locking nuts. This ensures a secure fit and reliable performance for your mower. Installation is straightforward. Simply turn off the power, remove the old wheel with its hardware, clean the area, and attach the new deck wheels. Refer to the measurements for a perfect fit. Upgrade your zero-turn mower with these essential deck wheels. They provide a smoother ride and help maintain the health and appearance of your lawn. What we like. Constructed from sturdy PP material, these wheels ensure a smooth ride and prevent deck scraping for more even lawn cuts. The package includes extra heavy-duty hardware for a secure fit. If you need a set that prioritizes a clean cut and durability, especially for zero-turn tractors, this option is ideal. What people say. Right size, easy to install, seems like good quality zert fitting took grease very easy. Replaced the original mower pan wheels. Nice fit and they work well. Great quality, made well. Number 3. Cadet Riding Mower Deck Wheels, 2-pack. Keep your lawn looking its best. These wheels prevent your mower deck from digging into the grass, especially on uneven terrain. Designed to fit a variety of lawn tractors and riding mowers. They are compatible with popular brands like Cadet, Craftsman, and MTD. These are the rear deck wheels, crucial for maintaining proper cutting height. They ensure a smooth and even cut every time. Get back to mowing quickly. Installation is straightforward with the included shoulder bolts and lock nuts, requiring only a simple wrench. Each package contains 2 deck wheels, 2 shoulder bolts, and 2 flanged lock nuts. Everything you need for a quick replacement. These wheels are direct replacements for several part numbers, including MTD Cadet 734-0973 and Toro 112-0337. Check our list to ensure a perfect fit for your machine. What we like. Specifically designed as rear deck rollers, these wheels help protect your cutting deck from scalping on slopes and ruts. Installation is straightforward with the included shoulder bolts and lock nuts. If you frequently mow uneven terrain or slopes and need dedicated rear support, this product is a perfect fit. What people say. These wheels are a perfect fit for my John Deere mower deck. They roll smoothly and make mowing much easier. The durable construction ensures they will last a long time. Number 2. Craftsman Mower Deck Wheels. Ensure your lawn mower is always ready for action with these essential deck wheels. They provide smooth operation and help maintain an even cut every time. These wheels are designed to fit a variety of mower decks, including Craftsman, Ariens, Poulan Pro, and Husqvarna models. They are also compatible with Cub Cadet and John Deere tractors. Crafted from high-quality, thick PVC material, these deck rollers are built for durability. You can rely on them for long-lasting performance in your yard. Easily replace your old or worn-out deck wheels with these compatible parts. They are designed to directly replace several common part numbers for a hassle-free solution. Get everything you need for a quick setup. Each package includes 2 deck wheels, 2 shoulder bolts, and 2 lock nuts for straightforward installation. What we like. Made from high-quality, thick PVC material, these wheels are built for durability and a solid performance. They come with the necessary hardware for easy installation. If you prioritize a robust and long-lasting wheel made from a strong, reliable material, this is the set for you. What people say. Well-molded hard plastic, HD polyethylene, wheels that have bolts with shanks that serve as axles for these wheels. The retaining nuts have nylon inserts to keep them tight and everything is plated to resist rust. They appear to be every bit of the quality as OEM and will buy more for my other mowers that use the same design. They are excellent, the bolts fit snug. They not only fit my Craftsman but my Husqvarna also. The order was great, came quickly and fit perfectly. Number 1. KOOTANS Mower Deck Wheels. Introducing a set of 4 premium mower deck wheels designed to enhance your lawn care experience. These are built to last and ensure a smooth operation every time you mow. Each package includes 4 mower deck wheels, along with all the necessary shoulder bolts and lock nuts for a hassle-free installation. Get back to mowing in no time. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene, these wheels are resistant to friction, aging, and high temperatures. Their solid build guarantees a long service life and protects your mower's deck. Experience enhanced stability with these gauge wheels. Their wide treads prevent deck scratching on uneven terrain, ensuring a consistently even cut for a professional finish. Designed for broad compatibility, these wheels fit most 42 to 54 mower decks from popular brands like Husqvarna, Craftsman, MTD, Cub Cadet, and John Deere. These wheels serve as a direct replacement for numerous part numbers across various leading mower brands. Check the compatibility list to ensure they are the perfect fit for your machine. What we like. These wheels are crafted from premium polypropylene, offering excellent resistance to friction, aging, and high temperatures. Their design ensures enhanced stability and fits a wide range of deck sizes. If you're looking for a high-performance wheel that offers longevity and smooth operation across various mower sizes, this is an excellent option. What people say. Fit like a glove and the hardware made everything easier. Work fine on my mower deck and pretty durable. The overall product itself was very well designed and fit right on my Craftsman 42 lawnmower deck without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.